A lot of people are asking me, when you're looking at BBBY, are you looking at long or short? The answer to that is I don't know. I mean, I rather to go long if the stock is gapping up 80%, 90% like this one in the pre-market, but I don't know, to be honest with you. But I have to see how it's being traded at the open. All right, guys, good morning, Bearable Traders in YouTube. So I'm gonna do the recap. Sorry, I was away for the whole week in Patagonia. I did trade in Usaya in last Friday and Thursday, but the whole week last week I was out of internet. The internet over there was really bad because there is no cable internet in El Chalten. It's only comes through the towers, and you can get only very sketchy Wi-Fi through really through some hotels and stuff. So Russia and Ukraine, for those of you who don't know, Putin attacked, and he has no kidding, and it's really situation is really hard over there because Putin is not the kind of guy who backs off. He's usually doubled down on his mistakes, so that's why there's no fly zone yet in Europe, and he demands that Crimea and those two republics to be recognized. Otherwise, the fight is going to continue. So we'll see what's going to happen, but the main issue is risk off. So equity market is under heavy pressure. The commodities are strong, gold is strong, but the equity market, nobody really wants to get in there. We are in the risk off concept, and it's a bear market really, and we just have to survive this bear market. On average, bear markets usually last around 295 days. So we'll see how long this one lasts. Definitely QQQ, the technology sector, because they're really, their pricing are based on the future and the growth of revenue. So they're most under heavy pressure because when the future is questionable, the investors don't want to pay any premium on anything. IWM and Aspire are doing a little bit better, especially IWM today is really holding up because they're probably closer to their fundamental values, and then they're more US based companies. But regardless, it's not a good situation. Europe sold off heavily on Monday, and nobody really knows what's going to happen in the future. So today, Bed Bath & Beyond, BBBY, was the stock that I made 3 trades on that. So one of them break even, and 2 really nice scalp on the reversal. So this one, news came in for some sort of an investor and popped up heavily from 23, how much is it? Below 20 all the way up to 35 on the pre-market, but sold off in the pre-market as you see, and opened really weak. A lot of people are asking me, when you're looking at BBBY, are you looking at long or short? The answer to that is I don't know. I mean, I rather to go long if the stock is gapping up 80%, 90% like this one in the pre-market. But I don't know, to be honest with you. But I have to see how it's being traded at the open. And as you see, BBBY at the open sold off heavily with heavy volume and lost the VWAP. Essentially lost the VWAP in the pre-market. So this is not the stock that I want to go long right away because it's just open weak. Turned out to be a really nice 1 minute open range breakdown and 5 minute open range breakdown. But because the stock was gapping up 90%, 80%, I really didn't want to short it. I should have. Now I'm regretting not shorting because the pattern was for a short. I tried to catch a reversal on that. On a 5 minute chart, we had this 200 moving average. I tried to catch a reversal first at 27.80, but I got out because I thought that it's probably a little bit too early, sold off. And then we had this 27 level to the daily chart that I got the first really nice bounce from 27.28 all the way up to 28.50. That's a really nice bounce. I added some for the next move, but we didn't have enough power, so I got it stopped out. Well, with a bit of loss, but that was a really nice trade that I did. If you look at my 5 minute chart. And then I had another trade on it that, we had another level at 26 and 25.25. So I went long a little bit, 2,000 shares at 26, but I added heavily at 25.40. And as you see, I got this move back from 25.40 all the way up to 26. I added more again, I got it stopped out. So these two trades was really nice, and I'm profitable on that. And that was the only thing that I personally trade. And that was it for me. I know, Brian, you traded Uber. What else? Okay, we lost Brian. Okay, yeah, sorry. I lost Brian in the chat room. So I know Brian took a long on Uber, popped up, and he traded BBBY short as well. So, I mean, my internet is a little bit sketchy. I'm going to be back this week to Vancouver. Sorry, the internet, it's a little bit sketchy. I think even my gas is not working. So Anyways, yeah, everything is kind of seems frozen. But yeah, that was my trade essentially, and I hope that everyone is having a good day. Sorry about this. Ardi actually came last week with me, so Ardi and I are going to be here, and yeah, hopefully see you all tomorrow. I'm in Buenos Aires today and tomorrow, and then we fly out tomorrow to North America. Good internet. Muchas gracias, and all the best, guys.